Hello everyone, you're welcome. In today's tutorial today we're going to be solving this problem here. So we are looking for the value of x. So what's the value of what? What's the value of x here? Alright, so now what we need to do is that I'm going to be solving this in two ways. So I'll be solving the first method. So I would like you to watch it to the end so that you can see which method is the best. So the first method, so I'm going to have introduced logarithm to the both side of the equation. So I'm going to be having log of 2 to the power of 2x plus 10 equals log of 11 to the power of x plus what? Plus 5. Okay, so now from there, from the log of indices, when you have something like log a to the power of b, this b will have to come down. This becomes b log a. Understood? So that's what we're going to apply there. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay, so we're going to have what? We're going to have this to be the 2x plus 10, we have to come down. We have 2x plus 10. Then we have what? We have log 2. Then equals, same thing here, x plus 5. We have to come down. Then multiplying log what? 11. So now from there, the next thing we're going to do, let's move on. So here we're going to have, opening the bracket, we're going to have 2x log 2 plus 10 log 2. Then equals x log 11 then plus 5 log 11. Are you following? So now we move on. Now let's try to collect the like terms. So any times with x, let's bring them together. So we're going to be having 2x log 2. Then this one here, okay, we have to come to the left hand side. We're going to have minus x log 11. Then equals 5 log 11. So we take this also to the right hand side. So we're going to have minus 10 log 2. Okay, so from there we move on. So we're going to factorize x out from here because you can see we have something, this and this x is common. So we're going to factorize it out. So we're going to have x is common. We take x outside, 2 log 2, then minus log what? Log 11 equals 5 log 11 minus 10 log 2. So now from here, the next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides. Divide both sides by what? By 2 log 2 minus log 11. 2 log 2 minus log 11. So now you can see that from here, this is going to cancel this. So we are left with what? We are left with x to be equals 5 log 11 minus 10 log 2, then divided by 2 log 2 minus log 11. So now if you press your calculator from here, so we're going to have our answer to be minus what? Minus 5. So we have what? We have minus 5 to be the solution to the problem. That's the first method. Now let's see how we can use second method. So now for second method, so for second method, we have what? We have the equation. Now what I'm going to do here is that having this, so we're going to have what? We're going to have something here. We're going to rewrite this equation. We have 2 to the power of what? 2. Let me factorize 2 outside here. We have x plus, you can see that this is going to be 5. If you 11x plus 5. Now having this, we have 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2, okay, then x plus 5 equals 11x plus 5. Are you following? So now from there, so we're going to be having 2 raised to power 2 to be 4x plus 5 raised to power x plus 5 then equals 11 to the power of x plus 5. Now looking at these two powers, you can see that they are the same. So now having it like that, and you know that the only thing that can satisfy this equation is when these powers x plus 5 is equals to 0. Are you getting it? So we're going to see that we have what we have. This implies that x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, x plus 5 equals to 0. Then transposing this, we're going to have x equals minus 5. And that is the solution. Can you see? We have 2 to the power of 2x plus what? Plus 10, which is equals to 11 to the power of what? 11 to the power of x plus 5. We want to check. So now from there, we're going to have, we got x to be minus 5. We have 2 to the power of minus 5. That is 2 into minus 5, then plus 10, then equals 11 minus 5 plus 5. So we're going to have 2 to the power of minus 10 plus 10, which is equals to 11 minus what? Minus 5 plus 5. So now we have what? We have 2 to the power of minus 10 plus 10, we're going to have 0. Then 11 minus 5 plus 4, we're going to have 0. So 2 raised to the power 0, we have 1. 11 raised to the power 0, we have 1. So which shows that the solution x equals minus 5 we got is the right solution and valid one. So now which one do you think is the best out of the two methods I used? Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from me. Bye.